All right, so we figured out how to manage our vapor diffusion through vapor barriers. But there's a complication. You see, vapor barriers prevent vapor diffusion. Great, that's the idea. But in cases where you've got sort of heating and cooling season for your building, in cases where you've got a very high performance wall with very little energy transfer through, you end up creating this risk that the water that does find its way in, because water's smarter than you, will destroy everything you love, just accept that, you'll be happier. Once that water gets in, it's sort of stuck because it's behind a vapor barrier, so it can't diffuse out. What do? There's a whole category of materials that are perm variable, meaning that when it's relatively dry and there isn't any moisture directly next to it, it stays kind of vapor tight, doesn't allow diffusion to go through unless that amount of humidity gets so high that the material literally opens up and allows humidity to pass through, which means you can have a normally vapor closed vapor barrier material become vapor permeable when it needs to, meaning that you can have a wall that's both vapor closed when you need it to be and vapor open when you need it to be. Brilliant stuff. Strongly recommend using that in any of your wall assemblies, just as cheap insurance to make sure that any water that does get in will always be able to find a way out.